Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm back again with my daughter and we're gonna do another painting. We did one with these hair rollers. I had left the outside part on there though, so this time I took it off. And if you didn't see that video, I'll put it in the description, but we're gonna try this again. We're using a couple cups that have some leftover paint in them. And then we're also using some of the Decoart fluid art ready to pour. So this will be kind of cool seeing how that mixes with some other paints. And also, in case you don't know, my daughter has a YouTube channel. It's called Starline Arts. So she would love it if you guys would check that out. It doesn't matter. She would love it if you guys would check that out. And I'll put a link for that also in the description. So we're going to get started filling up our cup. So like I said, you need to fill this up just a little under halfway. Go ahead. I can't see my. You don't have to whisper. You're allowed to talk. She gets a little shy sometimes. Definitely want some of that gold. So we have all kinds of paint left in these cups from some other projects. So even unicorn spit, artist loft flow acrylics, deco art, all kinds of things. It's quite the combo. And the gold we're using is Arteza gold mixed with floetrol and water. So this is a good experiment of if these deco art paints can mix well with other paints. We will find out. And I think I'm good. Nope, not those. Just these, baby. And this.
But I use more colors.
Well, that's what we've got. Okay, let me know when you're ready. Because I'm ready.
Not ready.
Okay. That should be close to enough. A little bit more. Okay, good.
Now good.
All right, I'm gonna bring you guys down for the side view for us for when we pour here. All right, here we go. So it's really fun watching how it comes out the sides. It's almost like a colander pour or strainer pour. Ooh, pretty, babe. I'm gonna add a little bit more white to mine. I think this came out a little darker than I wanted. As usual. And maybe a little more gold, because why not? Okay. And I just got these hair rollers. These are the plastic hair rollers from the dollar store, you guys. So hit up your local dollar store, Walmart, or if you just have some old ones lying around the house, you know, go ahead and use those. All right, excellent. So we'll pull this up. Cool. And I think before I tilt mine, I'm going to bring you back for the top view. My child is a little impatient, but that's okay. Oh, that is pretty. I love that blue in there. Gorgeous. Okay, so let me bring you back for the top view. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tilt mine. Sierra's all done with hers. I think it looks awesome. I really love that blue in there. And what I'm going to do on these, because like I said, this is trying out the Decoart pouring paint with other paints. So I think what I will do on these is I'm going to come back tomorrow and we'll see if there's any sort of crazing or, you know, anything else like that. So let's go ahead and do a really quick close-up, and then like I said, we'll come back tomorrow and see how it looks. Okay, so here's Sierra's. I love the way her colors blended together. I think this part up here is totally awesome. She has some kind of cells popping up. Nice little pop of green in there. Here's mine over here. Looks more like a flower, I think. Not a lot of gold in there, unfortunately. Digging this purple. I really love this down here. So, we will be back tomorrow. Alright, so I'm back. This is the next day. They're still not dry. They're dry around the edges, not in the middle. But they look great. And no signs of, like, cracking or anything else. I mean, this paint is interesting. I will say that. It has a bit of an interesting texture. It doesn't just lie perfectly flat. So that is interesting. But I think it looks great. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.